What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your spark plugs on a Chevy Malibu. This is a 2014, but it's probably the same for multiple different years. All you're going to do, first of all, is take off your cover that goes to it. You'll have a couple screws in your cover. You'll see here, there, here. Let me a cover like out. It takes like a little strange bit to it, but just look at it. And once you, let me see a screwdriver. Look. Yeah, it'll have like a little, hold on. It'll have like a bit like this that you'll need to take out the screws that go inside of it. Basically, you'll have actually three. You'll have one here, one here, one here. And also, you want to take out your oil lid. And once you take off your oil lid, you'll be able to remove this whole piece right here, set that aside, and then right up underneath here are your spark plugs. This is a 4-cylinder, so you have 4 spark plugs. So you'll come right here, you take a size 10 socket. You just want to remove this screw right here, just like that. Take that screw out. And once you take that screw out there, all you got to do now is just come to your coil pack and just pull up on it like that. And then you'll be able to go down there with your socket. If you can see the size on this. Yeah, basically you'll be able to come down with your socket, stick it inside of her, take your ratchet, and pretty much just pull that right out there. Then make sure when you get your new spark plugs that you ask the place that you buy from to make sure they're already gapped for you. Normally they are, but just to be sure, you want to ask them. That, yeah, once you take that spark plug out, you'll take your new spark plug, stick it down inside of her, tighten it back up inside of her. Then just the reverse process, take your coil pack, plug it right back down inside of her. Make sure you get a good connection on it. Then once you've done that, go ahead on and put your screw back in up here and go ahead and move to your next one, which will be here, here, and here. It'll be a pretty simple job to do. All right. Please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.